Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting your comments in PS4 live streams to be spoken out loud with text-to-speech. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Sharing and Broadcasts. Now open Broadcast Settings and then select Advanced Settings. Next, select Comments to Speech. Enable the checkbox called Enable Comments to Speech. Note that comments are only spoken when the system language is set to English. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.